with a slow motion crew, and we up in our growlings when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon.
Good evening. How has your day been? This is the scariest voice I could come up with for Halloween. Trick or treat. I'm afraid filled all apologies to you. Got any cough drops? Let's take a moment and update our automated registration card. When you've finished, simply click the continue button. Okay, this will only take a second. Great. I've successfully updated our registration information. Hey, let me tell you a little about my talking head on Marshall.
Play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mash me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drumming round in your